ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯅꯥꯖꯃꯥ ꯍꯦꯞꯇꯨꯜꯂꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ CWCꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ Gaikhangamna maral sikhre amadi State Award, Merit Award amadi Inspirational Award punna meeoi 35 da peeduna ekai khumnaba utkhray Kurumjari, Times of Manipur News yengbiba sungbu taram nokjari hojik paw mosa khaina pijari Imphal Tangkhul Sanaulong lingkhatkibagi Silver Jubilee thoram ngasi Julialand da leiba MBC Recreation Center da Manipur gi Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla na Chief Guest oina sarup yaduna pangthokkhre thoram adu da wa ngangladuna Governor Heptulla na haikibada Tangkhul Sanaulong gi nupisingna Tangkhul community gi leiriba nupisingi chakot thorangi damak honaduna lakhibani Khunai asida leiriba nupisingna awaba kaya ama thengnarabasu akhang kanbaga loinana shanti oina awaba kaya adu mayokna duna laklibani nupisingna khunai asida lauriba thoudang kaya ase singthaningai oi haiki
The Imphal Tangkhul Women's Union has been working for the cause of the Tangkhul women, especially for their social and economic empowerment since its inception 25 years ago. It has been rendering credible service for spreading education among the Tangkhul women and taking up various activities of social service. The Tangkhul society has a rich culture, and it is really gratifying that the Tangkhul women folk are making sincere effort for the preservation and enrichment of their cultural heritage, an example of which we saw today's function. I am happy that Tangkhul women have come together and joined hands under the Union for an inclusive growth of their society and participate in the nation building. As you all are aware, India is a secular democracy where people of all religions and culture have been living with honor and dignity. Divisive forces and tendencies have existed in all societies and all the time. The Tangkhul society has also had spells of turmoil in history. Tangkhul women have faced these turmoil with courage and fortitude. There will be challenges in life, and more often than not, women bear the brunt of these challenges in the society. But it should be our endeavor to create an atmosphere of social harmony and move forward together as one people.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi Adivasi Congress Department sinduna nongmagi oiba state level political conference ama ngasi BT Road ta leiba Congress Bhavan da pangthokre Conference aduda Adivasi Congress Department ki chairman Ahau Raikhan Outer Manipur ki MP Thangso Baite Adivasi Congress AICC ki Congress Working Committee ki member MLA Gaikhangam MPCC ki President Tian Haukef MLA RK Imo ex MLA Singh amadi Adivasi Congress Department ki office bearer singna sarup yakhe CWC ki member Gaikhangamna haikibada dharmada michang mikhai naidaba jat khaidaba Congress party na touramba thabaksing ngasigi sarkarna muthatnaba honari Chinda drama tawduna leibasi kyam kuina chatkani oida padaba wahi kya hajin biganu go to hills hojikti kill to hills oire go to hills go to village topiro praja sing sipatare lakadoriba lok sabha mikhal asida miyamna achobo para ama tambibagi matam oire Congress party gi merepu soidana mai pakna ba honasi haikhe
Singing, singing, go to hills station, Simandra, no way was the go to hills, Jin the Kabaka, Manade, I see no way Kabaka, upset the star. I couldn't, the day, I couldn't, hanging here, not today, Martin, Kabaka.
Directorate of Handlooms and Textile, Government of Manipur na sindana lamboi khonang khongda leiba Manipur Trade and Expo Center da hojik sathariba Manipur International Textile Expo 2019 ge ngasi pangthokiba Handicrafts Day thouramba mari leinana lamdam asigi khudhaiba khudhaibi singda chahi khudingi piba State Award, Merit Award amadi Inspirational Award punna meeoi 35 da peeduna ekai khumnaba utkhray. Thoram aduda President gi warol pireduna Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited ki chairman su oiriba Lamsang Assembly Constituency ge MLA Sorok Haibam Rajena haikibada Directorate of Handlooms and Textile Government of Manipur na sinduna hojik pangthongliba money tax 2019 asina lamdam asigi khutsa hairaba hairabi kyada achoba platform ama piduna masa masa ge senmilon chakot hanba khakta natana competition ge wakhalon amasu pokhalle
Mela kaya taure koi na mela tauri basi karigino haiba kanda aikoi gi sigumba helong gi pot puthoiba loinana crafts ki pot thok mayam ama puthoiba mayam singa stai da aikoi na mela taura kanda hairiba pot singa dubu miyam da aikoi yoloba sell tauba da natana aikoi isa gi puthoiba pot sing sei da competitive ama competition lama aikoi tauri bani
Thoramgi Chief Guest Oikiva Minister of Tribal Welfare and Forest, Government of Tripura, Mivan Kumar Jamatian Hai. Manipur ge handloom amadi handicraft hek hairakpada artisan sing asi nupisingna ayamba oi. Lamdam asigi khutsa haibi asi adagi nupisingna heli haibasi masina takli. Nupisingna lamdam asigi senmilon da lauriba thoudang asi aikhoina tarai lobo yade. Masi yamna chawba thabak amani. Hiram asidagi su hendoraktuna sports, politics, governance na chingba thoudang kaya masu lauri. Masimak lamdam asigi yamna singthaningai ni haina mahangna makhata na haikhe.
Handloom Handicraft Expo mostly participate by the women folk. And I know Manipuri women are really very extraordinary. Women role in every society, every country is really is meaningful. Until unless women participation in any field, in family, in politics, in government service, women participation is very essential.
State Award ki oina artistic textile, doll and toy, kauna handloom, sumthang crafts, wood carving, pottery da punna meeoi Nepal da sel oina lupa lakh amadi certificate amamam peeduna ekai khumnaba utki. Merit Award ki oina hand embroidery, hand block spray printing, water hyacinth, wood carving, can and bamboo, black pottery, cocoon crafts amadi doll and toy the punna meeoi mapal da sel oina lupa nipu amadi certificate amamam su peeduna ekai khumnaba utki. Inspirational Award ki oina su meeoi 19 da sel oina lupa kun amadi certificate amamam piki. Lamjingba agrona sinduna tha sigi nipan da tidim ground da pangthokiba lamjingba group ki ahanba state level ningol chakokba nga mela da nga khwaidigi yamna puthoktuna mela asida makok mathang takhraba nga mi singda mana mathum yenthokna pongning thogatkhre. Ngasi chingmerong da leiba Hotel Classic Grand da pangthokiba mana mathum yenthokpagi thoram aduda wa ngangladuna lamjingba group ki director mutum Rakesh na haikibada chinjak ta mipal tang da ba haiba wakhalon ga loinana aikoi khudimak thabak tongminaba tangai fade. Amadi lamdam asida nga marang kaina puthoknaba nga mi singbu pungning thogatpa tangai fadaba lei haikhe.
Tasena lamdam sigi aikoi ki ngami ne di hairaga ngami oina sum lei baje aikoi na sum na soi be aikoi na tholakpadagi haitare kari gi ngami oidoino ngami je kari gi tha handana thondoino ngami jina government ki employee choba minister MLA oigera IS officer IPS una maksiga kai gi thang mana koi hingba yami da ge ha baje aikoi wakhal lakhi haitare tasena ngami ni ha handana khan baje to makoi lamdam ti chatna bane kari gi no nga u da raw da bakana legene lupa chonga ta mo nga kiji proper chonga ta mo jibo kana chonga da khuning da nga to khuning ni na tasena mayam chumbi bra ta habiyo ai da sujaba knowledge da sini tasena ngami oiraga ngami duna production puthok jaga ko iram tum jekai di nga sa dino tasena Manipur da ningol chako bada yen thong baje kya chana dabli imoyu da yen thong dabli ngagi production se sungwala padigi maparongi miyan cha sing maparongi state atop da le ram yam jina Manipur de he lo na khudong cha ba lo je kai no akhoi lam jing asidi thabak subi chang je yam under pagini government da taina bum je khoi taina ra gai atuki mang da ba matam una ka da ba matam atuki matam da le khoi na mari le na ba organization sing da tanaraga kari खाना बफुंबे याय करी तोबे याय चापत फरोंगे तोनी यानो सिगी ओइना लंबी ज प्रोसेस सम ससरगा होय कि तुकी पुसदे हेना खुना कनबी वाखलुन दे लेथारदि कई अखै सुमायना नमायरोते
nga mela asida thangadagi salam ibi man ahanba khodak tagi ningthojam basantan ani suba amasung kumbi dagi KHGT na ahum suba takhe makong mathang takhra singda lupa lak ama nga machinjak bag chahum lupa lising yankhai nga machinjak bag chani amadi lupa lising kunthra loinana nga machinjak bag chama peeduna pungning thogatkhe masak khangdaba singna Nambol police station gi manung chanba Nambol Bethel school manakta hangba ATM booth ama phakaiduna sel huran khre pausina makha tarabadi ngarang ningol chakau bonumita ATM booth adu hangkhide asi yuk hangdokluba matamda sel lokthoklam khiba adu thengnar khibani hairi Manipur Sangai Festival gi mawoinana Imphal manungda paksana thihumbagi thabak chathakre maduda saktak se yaudaba meeoi kun police na phagatkhre
Lakliba November gi tang kunma thoidagi hauduna pangthokadawriba Sangai Festival ga mari lainana Imphal West District ki police na lokhalakpa section thoudang gi sharuk ama oina ngasi ayuk pauna bazar gi masjid road ta combing operation chathakre Ayuk pung taraga minute kun manga dagi tarama thoi fauba district asigi additional SP Ops Krishna Tombina luchingba team aduna punna meeoi chaniga kunlo masa gi saktak se puthokhanduna verification chathakhi masagi saktak se yaudaba meeoi kun makhata na verification chathanabagi damak city police station da sinakhi
Hauzik paugi marakthana aten ba break matang longminasi Breaking matungda mayam bomukana taram nokchari ngarang sana konung dasu chingmi tami ningol chako bagi thoram pangthokhe Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur amadi United People's Front UPF ani na sinduna pangthokhiba thoram maduda Manipur gi ningthau lesemba sana jawba UPF ki president W2nd amadi Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization ki president Momsokan Bapuina maroiba mithunglenching oina saruk yakhe Amaromda ngasi All Jiribam United Clubs Association amadi Jiri Development Organization na su Jiribam Higher Secondary School gi auditorium hall da ingol chakobugi thoram pangthokre Kalinagar Youth Club Jiribam na su sinduna ingol chakobugi thoram pangthokhe ingol khudol haina isai nongmai gi thoram amasu sinkhe All India Radio na laibak miyam gi damakta mai pak na chahi yangkhai manga chupna seba tawjaba phangjarak paga loinana ngasi Palace Compound Imphal East laiba MSFDSK Auditorium Hall da light music concert ama pangthokre thormaduda saknaiba theater director Ratan Thiamna chief guest renowned film director singer Aribam Syam Sarmana president amadi All India Radio Imphal gi station director Dilip Mayangbamna guest of honor oina saruk yakhe chief guest oina saruk yakhiba theater director Ratan Thiamna hai Nongma kangdana science and technology na meeoi bagi punsida hena tangai fadaba machak ama oirakli cherak asida meeoi ba amadi akoi bagi khal lapnarakpa mari kaya adubu traditional art form kaya ama mangchilakpagi asoba maram ama ohelakli asumna tamna nature ga meeoi baga tatnaba yadraba mari kaya lapthongnarakpana meeoi bagi marakta leinariba nungsi mari ariba literature ariba folk song kaya nongmanonggi mangchilaklibani Tawadabu matam kharadang oirabasu ngak senduna thambada All India Radio Imphal na louriba thoudangbu singthakhe
hairiba mayam si icham chamba wa phab natte Manipur gi music yamna chaw balan gaini Manipur ki music se da huzik tawrusi. Not Sankirtan Hairiba, not Sankirtan Hairiba. Putsa asina, suk chawa, treasure wairaga. Ngasi power recognition pangbangamdri. Major tradition da chanbangamdri. Haina, Sankitnate Academy da. Haina. Jahi Nipu yang muki mamang da chana mi ba tradition some chana dana lak ba tradition da karmai to ge hanai bu Hindustani classical music Karnataka music sumaina chana rami atubu kundang da masibu henmal labra karam haina to na recognize to torino Akwena madugi classical ni aduni adani hari te yabra yadavsiyai adunati major tradition Hindustani music haraga asagi Hindustani classical music huzik award is major tradition adumaina haraga adu minor tradition the major tradition the minor tradition the lady but folk traditional music singsi Masina kadayong na ako'y da sahupi bangambagi hedo country.
Thouramba gi saruk ama oina handakta All India Radio Imphal na sinkiba folk song competition aduda ahanba ani suba amasung ahum suba takiba saisakpi singda sel oina lupa lising kuntra lising kun amadi lising tara peeduna pungning thogatke nakalamaromda lamdam asigi saknairaba matam isai sakpa saisakpi singe maikaidagi Manipuri matam isai kya khudol tamduna miyam gi pungning singchen ke Thobal police ki kangbu amana ningol chako baga mari lenana lilong thongda achat auksing sek tawgi thabak chathabada car tongduna lakpa meeoi ahum dagi cough syrup bottle chamari ga marfutara manga phalkat pangam khre check tawgi drive adu Thobal district ki SP S Gautang gi liching makhada lilong police station gi osina luchingba kangbuna chathakibani cough syrup singa konana faraba meeoi ahum adugi mathakta police na case ama lakhot khre ngarang ningol chako bonumita tongan ba mafam da thokhiba lambi gi khudong thiba thodok kaya da meeoi ama laikhidre kaya amana asopan nangkhe thodok sing adugi manungda ngarang ayuk pung 12 ga makhairom taba matamda Nambol police station gi manung chanba maitram lamkhai da thokhiba lambi khudong thiba thodok amada central car tongduna lakpa kameng awang lekai dagi notification ama thoktana High Court of Manipur gi justice Lunchungkum Jamir yauna Guwahati High Court ki additional judge taret mapung phaba judge oina promotion pikhre Hojing ngasi nungtil da phongkhiba Manipuri pause singi moriba pau amok khangminasi
Kangla Pau Rajipal na Tangkhul Women Union ge Silver Jubilee hotnare Imphal Tangkhul Women Union na Tangkhul Women Kosi damak thabak tawi Rajipal Assam gi tongan ba accident ta tariat sire kunithoi sokle Hospital da numit mapani gi manungda naungna pokpa angang 13 sire napna lupa lakh nipan henbagi heroin ga kona na ama fari chakoba numit ki accident ta ama sire tariat sokle Paugzel Tangkhul Phuruk ki tokhaiba chatnabi amadi culture lairi Governor Amur Falcon hatpada chenaba miyosing lemna tharoi Shyam Kumar Langdamai khulda sampar sagai gi ningol chakoba pangthokre accident ta meeoi ama sire tariat sogle Pandam nongmagi oiba scheduled tribe leader amadi workers ki state level political conference pangthokre Tampaki sil inau singna ekhodi Arjun gi sada naudani khumang chawsinga proof ni haiduna general da yaukhibani Gaikhangam afaba khunai ama oinabagi damak nupi gi thoudang changi governor lamlaki sa uchek ching yokhat nabagi damak license ki nongmai sing license kaknaba cabinet da khanargani Shyam Kumar
Aroibada moriba pau amukana thamjari khunai asida nupi singna louriba thoudang singthaningai oi haina Manipur gi governor Dr. Najma Heptulla na phongdokhre Congress Party na touramba thabaksing ngasigi sarkarna muthatnaba hotnare haina CWC gi member Gaikhangamna maral sikhre amadi State Award, Merit Award amadi Inspirational Award punna meeoi 35 da peeduna ekai khumnaba utkhray. Ngasigi oinadi matang sida Manipuri paw loijare Times of Manipur News yengbiribasingbo amukhana khurumjari.